Hello, my name is Lubor, and it's a pleasure to be here on behalf of the team that built this guy. So it's a Lamborghini SIAN replica. It's the second one-to-one LEGO Technic model we bring to Canada. It's nice to be back after 4 years. Again, with a model which attracts a lot of attention, which we are happy about because we spent about 10 months actually making this model. That means over 8,000 man-hours and using about 400,000 elements. We also have start the engine. Some more interesting facts. There are only 63 of the original car built. So it actually starts with the set, so you can see it in the undercover over there. A smaller set you can actually buy, you can try building out of Technic yourself. And when the set is designed, we sometimes get the chance to design a marketing material to go with that set. And it was decided that it's the case with Lamborghini. We always try to do something new with our models. So the Bugatti was all about driving. And this time we wanted to do something more artistic, hence the shaping of the body, which is built out of small hexagons, because hexagon is a typical pattern for Lamborghini. We have worked with them a lot. They helped us choose the right paint job. We actually went through the same process you would go through if you are buying your own SIAN. And then they were kind enough to actually do the paint job for us, the gray parts. They also supply the wheels and some of the badges as a proof of authenticity, I would say.
In the world of supercars, the Lamborghini SIAN FKP 37 is unique. The dynamic lines, audacious angles, sleek curves make it so futuristic, and yet it's still unmistakably Lamborghini. We spent over a year trying to recreate this in a 1:8 scale LEGO Technic model, working closely with the design team at Lamborghini, getting all the details and lines as perfect as we could. At the end of such a project, you're always thinking, what more could we do? How can we keep this great collaboration going? After speaking to the design team in Santa Gata, Lamborghini's headquarters, we came up with the idea of going big and creating a full-size 1:1 scale version of the SIAN FKP 37 to show what's possible with the LEGO Technic system. With this in mind, we headed to the LEGO facility at Kladno in the Czech Republic. It's here that all those amazing outsize models and sculptures you see in LEGO stores and Legoland parks are built. If anyone could make this happen, it would be them. We looked once again at the design cues of the SIAN FKP 37 and closely studied the iconic Lamborghinis of the past. From our discussions with the Lamborghini design team, we realized that hexagon shape was something that played a major part in both the Lamborghini and the SIAN FKP 37's design history. They started sketching and determining how the hexagon shape could be the foundation for the car's design. The engineers went to work figuring out how this huge complex structure could be built. And then the expert builders started their work. Though our car was always going to have the same green color as the 1:8 scale model, we felt it needed a touch of something special to make it unique. Here, the Lamborghini designers suggested using the skilled craftsmen who paint their cars to do something with ours. Watching the craftsmen adding a layer of color to the LEGO Technic elements was like watching an artist at work. There's only going to be 63 SIAN FKP 37s made, and every one will be unique. The idea of making ours unique as well was difficult to resist. We constantly checked in with the design team at Lamborghini, and new ideas and improvements were adapted into the build. It was here, for example, that the idea of adding lines of LED lights to the vehicle to enhance the design features came up. It also added some drama to the concept. From there, everything moved quickly. The final builds, the small details, the test of the electronics. Our dream had come true. The full-size LEGO Technic version of the Lamborghini SIAN FKP 37 was complete. How did we do? It's really not up to us to say. It's the LEGO fans and the supercar enthusiasts that will decide. But we're proud of the car.
Going to go on a tour around North America now, or is it
I don't know.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it very much.
Mike, can I get one shot of you in the car?
Special skill set, so it's more like